And just when you're sure you've seen it all. Yeah, baby. Oh, well, look at that. It's actually for sale, huh?
Yep.
So you got yourself a tractor for sale. How long you had that tractor?
Dad and I have been working on it for 2.5 years.
Okay.
You know, at first I was like, what the hell? But then I realized it's not that much bigger than your Victor.